Yeah, you were able to take on all sorts of clients, right?
Yes.
So along with that, we know you work really closely with the groups over at Datanomix. And
Right.
we know in the world of Swiss, we have to be efficient.
Right.
Do you get to glance up at that screen and just every day go, okay, am I on cue with my efficiency? Am I down? Am I up? And you can just look directly at the screen and go, yeah, we're good.
Correct. I can see it on my phone. I can check it on my computer. So at any time, I can see what these machines are doing. If I notice that it starts to drop off, it's usually in the high 90% tile. So, I mean, they are automatic machines. They run themselves. They discharge the part out the back into the machine. So if I notice anything, then I know there's a problem. And they don't always have the time to find me, or maybe I'm not here. So I'll reach out to them and see what I can do to help them fix that problem.
Yeah, absolutely right. And I know you're at home watching TV, checking that app all the time, right? Making sure your guys are out here doing their job.
Got to make money.
Gotta make money.